Hi, welcome to Andy with the Spanners. I've got my mug of tea and it's time to have a look back on an old video from best part of 20 years ago. We filmed building a Bobtail Range Rover. It's an old video, and of course 20 years ago kit wasn't as good as it is now, and the soundtrack is probably going to give away how long ago it was as well. So grab a mug of tea and enjoy it. It's only a couple of minutes long, but it does show the process basically for how to take a stock Range Rover and turn it into a bobtail. Now most of you are going to look at this now and go, do you know how much these are worth now? Well, back then when this was done, I think the original Range Rover was bought for about £400. So at the time they were 10 a penny and quite cheap to chop about, and off-road fun. So that's what it was all about. So enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and more great videos coming your way soon.
Take a standard Range Rover 3.5 litre V8 two-door classic saloon. Strip out some of the interior. Take the roof off. Remove the rear wings. And take the floor pan out. Cut back the inner wings. Shorten the rear chassis, add reinforced rear bumper section, and then start reconstructing the back end of the car. Install a compartment for the small fuel tank, and then reattach the shortened rear wings and start to close in the back of the bodywork. Finally, reinstall the rear window, and then install the rear lights and number plates.